testing, I'm just suggesting you and I might not be the best thing. Exit, somehow I guessed it right. Right, but I still want you. Don't mean to taunt you. If you leave now, I'll come back and haunt you. You'll remember, return to sender now. I just wish we could go back one more time and begin it back before I lost myself somewhere in it. We've been stuck now so long, I just got the start on one more last try. I'ma get the ending right. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Stuck now so long, I just got the start from no more last place. You better get your story straight. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. I still need you. Don't mean to tease you. If you want me, I'll come back and meet you. Whisper, you must admit you want it. You want it. I just wish we could go back one more time and begin it back before I lost myself somewhere in it. Been stuck now so long, we just got the start on one more last try. I'ma get the ending right. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Stuck now so long, we just got the start from no more last place. You better get your story straight. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Don't you need it? Don't you want pass it on? Don't you need it? Don't you want pass it on? Stuck now so long, we just got the start on one more last try. I'ma get the ending. You can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Stuck now so long, we just got the start from no more last place. You better get your story straight. You can't stop. Don't you need it? And I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Telling you can't stop this, and I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Stuck now so long, I just got the start from no more last place. You better get your story straight. You can't stop. Don't you need it? And I must insist that you haven't had enough. You haven't had enough. Testing, I'm just suggesting you and I might just be the best thing.
Yeah. And you say Shot City? Shot City? Shot City? Yeah.
Do you think about me now and then? 'Cause I'm coming home again.
I met this girl when I was 3 years old, and what I love most, she had so much soul. She said, "Excuse me, little homie, I know you don't know me, but my name is Wendy, and I like to blow trees, and from that point, I never blow her off. Come from out of town, I like to show her off. They like to act tough, she like to tone them off and make them straighten up their hat, cause she know they soft. And when I grew up, she showed me how to go downtown. In the nighttime, my face lit up, so astounding. I told her, and my heart is with what she always be. She never mess with entertainers cause they always leave. She said it felt like they walked and drove on me. Knew I was gang affiliated, got on TV and told on me. I guess that's why last winter she got so cold on me. She said, yeah, keep making that platinum and gold for me.
Think about me now and then. Do you think about me now and then? 'Cause I'm coming home again. Home again. Do you think about me now and then? Do you think about me now and then? Now I'm coming home again. Maybe we can start again.
But if you really cared for her, then you wouldn't have never hit the airport to follow your dreams. Sometimes I still talk to her, but when I talk to her, it always seems like she talking about me. She said you left your kids, and they just like you. They wanna rap and make soul beats just like you, but they just not you. And I just got through talking about what trying to do, just not new. Now everybody got the game figured out all wrong. I guess you never know what you got till it's gone. I guess that's why I'm here and I can't come back home. And guess when I heard that, when I was back home, every interview I'm representing you, making you proud. Reach for the stars, so if you fall, you land on a cloud. Jump in the crowd, sparking lighters, wave them around. If you don't know by now, I'm talking about Chi-Town.
Do you think about me now and then? Do you think about